Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can delete a local user from your Windows operating system? So how you can do that? Let's search the computer management. Okay, open the computer management and now you can see here local user and groups. Okay, so click on it and click on users, and here you can see there are lots of user. Okay, suppose that I want to delete this test user. Okay, so how you can do that? Just right click on it and click delete. Okay, it asks you for that some, it's give you a warning. Okay, so I'll say yes, and now we have successfully deleted the test user. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.